Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel, and this is Henry. Today is Thursday, September the 2nd. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and today we're gonna be updating the chart of Facebook. This is a 30 minutes chart. We can see right here we are currently within an impulsive move to the upside. We got this with 1 here, with 2, this is with 3, this is with 4, and looking for more upside within the wave 5, and shorter cycle can see more upside as long as we stay above this 4 in the black degree here. Okay, can see a few more high. Now an alternate will be that this is ending 5 already here, so instead of ending 1 of 5, this could have been with 5 in the black degree. But let's zoom out to get an idea of possible different path and also alternates, and discussing all those options. Now if I look at the 4-hour chart, right, and let's try to put in the label here that we see in the 30 minutes chart. So this one in black is right here, and this is your 2 in black. And if you look at the 1-hour chart, again 3 in black is proposed complete here, and then this is 4 in black, and now finishing up 5 in black. So let's take a look at sort of the bigger picture first. The idea is that if you look at the monthly, we are at the all-time high, right, as you can see over there. So what that means is that it has to be an impulse, right? The move has to be an impulse. There's no other option, because it makes an all-time high, right? Now look at it from this low here, which is August the 3rd. You can clearly see, if you draw some sort of channel, this belongs to the same channel, so therefore this belongs to the same cycle. So that's why you have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, which is kind of the same cycle. So then you got 1 and 2 here. So you can consider this some sort of wave 1 in the higher degree, and this is your wave 2. And then now we are within wave 3 from the August the 3rd low, right? So if you measure using the Fibonacci extension here, you reach the 161.8% already, which is typically indication it is a wave 3, right? Now we already hit the 1.618, but we can still extend a little bit more upside to finish with 5 of 3, right? Alternate will be, we finished 5 already now, we finished 3, which is possible because we hit the 1.618. But if you compare the length of this compared to your wave 3 and wave 1, seems to be a little too short to finish with 5, and that's why I think possible that it can still extend within wave 5. Okay, now let's say Facebook doesn't extend higher and starts to go down and break below 4. Will it make it bearish? No, it's not. It is as bullish as it gets. If you look at the weekly and the monthly, you know it is as bullish as it gets. So if it does break below 4, what that means is it could be ending 3 in red already from August the 3rd, and then you can do a bigger 4. You know, it's not bearish, it's just a larger degree pullback, and it can go to around 23.6, 38.2% retracement, which is this area here, right, before turning higher again, because it remains incomplete. So if you look at it from the August the 3rd, it looks to me it's only 3 swings so far. So regardless whether or not we extend higher within 5, or we finish 5 and we do a 4 in the higher degree, it still implies more likely that the next more upside is going to be seen still, due to the fact that the structure looks incomplete from August the 3rd, right? So for now, in the shorter cycle, we are calling extension higher within wave 5, and alternate 5 finish here, and then this ends higher degree with 3, and then to pick a pullback in the 4, which should again find support even if that happens before the next leg higher again. Alright, so that's the update for today, guys, and as always, if you do want to check our service, feel free. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.